Alright guys, Pro F-150 here. If you guys are wondering why I only showed one bale falling off the back of the baler, was because when I took off, I bailed, I don't know, that few feet, and then stopped and the video was over. Well, the only reason the video stopped was because I broke something. See up in there, that piece is all bent in there. That goes all the way to the front and connects in here. There's a bar that goes from, I think it's that right here, goes from here and goes all the way to the back where that bent piece was. And this bar is supposed to be straight. This bar was sticking out underneath here. So, yeah, that's why the video stopped. And I reviewed that part where I was going up the ladder, and when I went up the ladder, I stopped right about there. I didn't see anything. So it must have happened when I stopped, put the camera on there, went back, started the tractor back up, and started moving again. And then right as you hear it, the PTO kick in, you hear a loud pop, and I think that's where it bent all this stuff up in here and bent that bar and stuff. And then it has a finger that goes up in there. It goes all the way to the top to that box on top there. And that finger is right over here. Right here's the finger. And it bent right there. But your twine sits there and rolls on this. So, yeah, I really know what the hell caused that to happen. I don't know if it's because I didn't wrap it up and then put it in, or just decided to break and bend and shit. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow. Bending this all back, and we have to take this box off, this twine box. I take all these out. Oh, I think we're just gonna try to move the box. But that'll be a fun adventure tomorrow. So, but it didn't hurt anything else. That's good. And we got a blown up baler in the other shed, so we'll just take the bar off of it. And then maybe if we can't fix that finger, just get a finger off the blown up baler in the shed over there and fix it stuff. So, but yeah, that's why the video ended. I just seen that bale fall off the back. So, but I was going to film stacking today, but I got the duty of finishing baling with Grandpa's baler, so yes, I know. Why didn't I put the camera up there? I didn't bring it with me. But yeah, we got the field all stacked and stuff. I don't know. I got all summer to film us stacking, so with the awesome stacker and stuff. So. But yeah, I just thought I'd make an update, to tell you guys why the video stopped so soon and why I only showed one bale falling off the back. But yeah, so please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.